Have you ever noticed how some homes immediately make you feel at ease the moment you walk in? That's one of the reasons many homeowners are drawn to Japandi design. By combining natural materials, thoughtful layouts, clean lines, and practical storage, you can create spaces that feel comfortable without feeling crowded. In this home, you'll see how these ideas come together across the living room, kitchen, and bedroom. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. If you want a warm, relaxing, and clutter-free living room, this Japandi design combines natural textures with practical comfort. Let's begin with the base finishes. The flooring is finished in a light natural wood tone, creating a bright foundation that complements the warm Japandi palette. Above, the recessed tray ceiling introduces depth together with recessed downlights provide balanced illumination throughout the space. One of the first things you'll notice is a large format stone textured panels with vertical wood panels creating a dramatic backdrop without overwhelming the room. Positioned against this feature wall is a low profile platform sectional sofa finished in a soft beige fabric, layered with neutral linen cushions that introduces additional softness and comfort. Below, the woven herringbone area rug helps define the seating zone while adding warmth and texture underfoot. At the center, you'll find a solid wood rectangular coffee table that serves as the room's main gathering point, styled with a ceramic vase, books, and simple sculptural decor. Beside the sofa, the round wood side table provides a convenient surface for decorative accents and everyday essentials. For additional seating, you'll find a round upholstered ottoman and an accent lounge chair, adding flexibility while introducing another natural material to the space. Nearby, a pleated floor lamp adds a soft, ambient glow and helps create a cozy atmosphere during the evening. Above the seating arrangement, the multi-tier woven pendant chandelier acts as a sculptural centerpiece. Moving across the room, the floating console combines clean lines with concealed storage to maintain an uncluttered appearance. The wall-mounted TV is framed by a walnut wood back panel that helps anchor the entertainment wall while adding warmth and contrast. Above, a floating wood display shelf provides space for curated decors without adding visual heaviness. Under the floating console, LED strip lights creates a subtle floating effect that enhances the room's warm atmosphere. Adjacent to the feature wall, a full-height display cabinet combines open shelving and concealed storage. The integrated LED strip lights highlight carefully selected decor pieces and books while adding another layer of ambient lighting. Along the door, woven bamboo blinds filter natural light while providing privacy and strengthening the natural material palette of the home. Finally, the softly curved archway leading toward the adjacent spaces introduces a subtle architectural feature that balances the strong linear elements found throughout the room. With its warm wood tones, natural textures, and thoughtful furnishings, this Japandi living room creates a calm and welcoming space for everyday living, with an estimated total cost of $4,000 to $6,000. If you want a kitchen that feels calm and organized, this Japandi design blends natural materials with practical storage solutions. Let's begin with the overall layout. You'll immediately notice the galley kitchen with a breakfast nook, which maximizes efficiency while maintaining an open connection to the living area. Above, a flat ceiling paired with integrated recessed downlights that provide bright and even illumination throughout the workspace. One of the first features you'll notice is the combination of warm wood base cabinets and sleek white overhead cabinets. This combination creates a balanced contrast, while the handle-less fronts keep the design clean and simple. Then, you'll have a solid surface quartz countertop paired with a marble look backsplash, providing a durable food preparation surface while adding subtle texture and maintaining a soft, cohesive aesthetic. You can incorporate a matte black undermount sink and matching faucet to introduce contrast while maintaining a clean, streamlined look. To complete the cooking setup, an induction cooktop on the counter, a built-in microwave, and slim concealed range hood can be integrated seamlessly into the cabinetry. Across the main cooking area, you'll find a bottom freezer refrigerator positioned for easy access while supporting an efficient workflow. Then, a custom peninsula provides additional preparation space, paired with solid wood bar stools that create a convenient spot for quick meals and everyday tasks. On the window, a wooden Venetian blinds filter natural light while complementing the kitchen's natural palette. On the floor, you can add a woven circular rug to introduce texture and warmth while softening the clean lines of the cabinetry. Adjacent to the kitchen, you'll find a floor-to-ceiling wood slat divider that subtly separates the kitchen from the circulation area. For final touches, you can add selected decors and kitchen items to add warmth and personality without creating visual clutter. The result is a calm and functional Japandi kitchen that balances warmth, storage, and efficiency while remaining connected to the rest of the home with an estimated total cost of $4,000 to $7,000. If you want a peaceful and organized bedroom, this Japandi design balances natural materials with functional storage. Let's begin with the sleeping area. At the center of the room, two low-profile platform beds create a calm, grounded atmosphere while reflecting the clean lines of Japandi design. You'll notice neutral bedding sets that help create a restful and relaxing environment. Layered pillows with muted blue accents, paired with woven textured throws, make the beds feel more relaxed and welcoming while adding texture to the space. Between the beds, you'll find a solid wood nightstand that keep things within reach while providing storage. Beneath the beds, the woven herringbone area rug helps define the sleeping zone while introducing softness and warmth underfoot. Above, the recessed ceiling detail adds dimension to the room, while integrated recessed downlights provide soft and balanced lighting throughout the space. For the window, you'll find full-height blackout curtains that softens natural light during the day while providing privacy when needed. Next to it, the round wood side table introduces another organic form while giving you a convenient place for decor and personal item. Across the room, you'll find a custom floor-to-ceiling wardrobe system that combines hanging storage, open shelving, and concealed drawers into one organized and visually cohesive feature. One of its standout features is the pair of vertical wood slat sliding doors, which introduce texture while keeping the design clean and streamlined. Integrated LED strip lighting highlights the shelving and adds a warm ambient glow during the evening. You can style the shelves with folded linens and decorative ceramic to maintain a refined and organized appearance. Beside the wardrobe, a large floor vase with decorative branches adds height, texture, and a natural touch to the space. With its warm wood finishes, integrated storage, and carefully selected furnishings, this Japandi bedroom offers comfort, organization, and everyday functionality. With an estimated total cost of $3,500 to $5,800. The result is a home that feels calm, organized, and thoughtfully designed from one space to the next. By combining natural materials, functional layouts, smart storage solutions, and carefully selected furnishings, you'll create a space that not only looks beautiful, but also works better for everyday living. So, which area was your favorite? The living room, the kitchen, or the bedroom? Let us know in the comments below. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.